Good morning, Friday, March 28th. We stayed here at the Peck's Corner shelter, which is another shelter that's half-mile in off the trail. But it worked out for us distance-wise. We just couldn't make it to the next one. That was another five plus miles past this one. Morning brew. Shelter's nice. This is our man back here with breakfast. Waiting for my breakfast to finish. It's sitting right there. Let's go in here. Nice raging fire last night.
Yep.
Took care of a lot of wood, but we still have a lot of wood left. So,
I don't know if you want to push this down.
ooh. And we got the sunshine today. Look at that sunshine. We have a decent long day today. Our bear hangs from last night. We're going to finish up breakfast, get everything cleaned up, get ready, and get out of here and move on. It's our morning view starting the trail. We had just started the trail here. Look at that. It's very quiet and peaceful too. We have a long road today, so I'm gonna do over 13 miles, but you know, with the terrain and everything, we got to get to 2 shelters ahead. That's going to be our goal. 2 shelters, and then we're pretty much almost out of Smokies. You know, we're on the downside of it here. Well, we have a dead end here. Our trail just dead ends into this tree. And we're not going to climb it. We're going to go down, but look at all the destruction here. Holy hell. Like, we have to get off trail just to go through this area. And you gotta watch yourself. I mean, look. Blowdowns are massive. I mean, we've been hitting them pretty much steady here. And we just thought we'd film a couple for you at least. Just to see the, you know, and this is what you got to think about when you're tenting around the trees. Those trees might be very old trees. We've had some winds and storms. Oh, massive up here. But we're going to go to the next shelter. Cosby's shelter, I think, is where we're going to end our day. Woo, guys, wait till you see this blowdown. This big root ball here. Whoa, look at this. Holy hell. Look, there's steps to go through the hole up there. Check it out. Nature steps. Look at this thing. This is one hell of a blowdown. Whew. Makes the trail somewhat difficult, but look down there. Look at the trees that blew over. Mostly all hemlock. That thing is big. One big, massive. Whew. Wow. We'd like to thank Sparrow, our ridge runner, for clearing the branches off that so we can get over it. But holy jeez, we've been hitting nothing but blowdowns, and we really haven't been videoing it. But some of these were almost impassable. We had to make trails all over the place or do jungle gym through them, you know, down or around. Yeah, see, here's the trail. Everyone had to go down and around that root ball. Look at that down there. That was, but our Ridge Runner Sparrow, she took care of us. We passed her on trail here. So there it is. She cleared the branches, made it so we can get by. Thank you, Sparrow, for your work, dedication as a Ridge Runner. Now we took lunch in a shady spot, and here we are. We come out to this nice spot right here. Something was here though. Can't tell what. Something was here. Look at this, guys. Look at our skies. Look at the mountains. Look at the red briar. This rock just needed to be filmed right here. It was here for that reason, and that's what we're doing. Filming this rock. We just had lunch a little while ago. We did meet our Ridge Runner, Sparrow. Great Ridge Runner. We met her at campsite 113, 5 miles in or so in the, Smokies here. All right, more ridge walking, guys. Even through this little tree. Spectacular. What an amazing view out here, guys. Ever since that gap, it's been amazing. Newfound Gap, heading north, most spectacular views and ridge walks, and Charlie's Bunyan. That was just a really neat spot. So definitely, if you were just doing a weekend trip or a week-long trip, I would say Newfound Gap North has been the most amazing views and fun. It's just been, Charlie's Bunyan was a little fun place. You could spend a little time there. Could even eat lunch there if you wanted to. But look at this. Yeah. Uh-oh, what do we have? Nice survey. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, the edge. That is an edge. Look down. Woo! You don't survive this drop. Look at that drop. Everybody ready? Yeah. Woo! Yeah. And about as far as you can see. Yeah. It's beautiful. Remember, YouTube, fun fact 2525. Subscribe, like, and share. Show people, what the AT is about. Hey, our day's coming to an end here, so today we had great views, a lot of things to see. We met Claire, or better known as Sparrow, our Ridge Runner in the area. We ran into her today, had nice conversations. Tonight we stop at the Cosby Knob Shelter. Here it is. The view is fantastic. And we got copper tone hanging out. The water source. Guys, this is the fantastic part of this. The water source is right there. Shelter, water source. That's almost as good as indoor plumbing. I'm telling you, that is fantastic. It's just the little things. There's little things in life that, make things so great when you don't have to walk a quarter mile to get to your water source.